Hadian ba uwe ubriyo ya ubla ai kerteng komu Singhania ulapan mi ya kawe ga jingtho. Ling ba ka shiti shau editor ka kot khobor phareng ka Highland Post ban kan tho ya ka jingyat Proseshon jong ka balang Katolik haki benta ka surok ba jong ka lain khra dang ha ka sngi ublei ka baladep da ka baong ba ka jingle jong ka balang Katolik ka wan ra ka jing dheng ka li ka bshir khai bat ka bon ra ya ka saja bat ka kordet ki nong shok shnong ka nong ba shlong ulakan thoru bagani ka Proseshon jong ka balang Katolik ka wan ra ya ka jing dheng ka li ka bshir khai hadu ka takata Shushu Singhania ulaong bagani ka jingle arsap jong ki bor sarkar bat ki pat ba ban kan tho ya ka jing rakhe puja ki riu nge hindu ka long ka ai ka ba open remjur mentak sngi na kaliang MLA ka not Shillong constituency uba Adelbert nang rom haki kerwa shekilat pathai ko bor ula pendam jor ya uni ubriu ta ka baong bagani ka jingdan uni US Singhania ka dai ka jing persang ban bet u sembai ka jinge shun pat ya isi na ka daw ka niam pat ula dawa ba uni Singhania uday ban pensyai usaha ai bat uday uai la ni uday tang u Shongthap ni uday manu ulaong bakum u MLA mami khmat ya ka constituency biak she jat benri uyo i bagani ka jingle non ra ya ka jinge shur
myself as one of the responsible public representative who represents the constituency of mixed population to the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. And myself as a person, I love peace and hate discrimination and communal, for which I stand here intentionally to encounter the statement published in the news of the Highland Post yesterday the 13th, the letter to the editor written by the so-called Singhania. I do really wanted to dwell on detail, but I will not go in detail. I will go specific according to his statement where he made. I will read the double standard in response to inconveniences during other cultural events such as pujas, may I repeat, such as pujas, raise question about fairness and consistency in governance. Who are you, Mr. Singhania? Are you the bona fide resident of a state, or are you just a tenant in a state? I am very hurt as myself. I am proud as a Catholic congregation, and I am also part of the Proseshon. I therefore challenge you, kindly come in front of the media and show yourself, speak the truth, and come out, explain what do you mean by mentioning or comparing the procession held by Catholic congregation. As well, in your statement, mention other cultural events such as pujas. I am serious with this issue, with your statement, and I do request, come out, be a courageous person and speak the truth. I only warn you and challenging you to come out and explain what do you mean by your statement. Thank you.